to jump on to what is the role of innovation and technology when it comes to the GPS Service Center?
Yeah, innovation is key, Andre. Innovation is really key. And like others, we have a specific focus on AI, actually machine learning, and with a number of purposes. And one of them is that we want to learn, let's say, cross-company. We want to because we think the patterns, supply chain patterns in the one company can be similar to the other one. So once you understand the one, you can apply the problem solving on the other one. The second reason is to become more and more efficient, because at the end of the day, we are also a cost to the client, and they want to reduce it every year. So there's an efficiency drive. But a totally different perspective on innovation is our contribution to 3D printing. There is a normal way of sourcing towards, let's say, the original equipment manufacturers, the distributors, etc. But in some cases, it is way more effective and efficient to go the route of 3D printing, but you just have to know the route. I think we are pretty educated in finding those routes, so we can also propose to the client the most optimal sourcing decisions.
Thank you. I think it's, of course, very important to utilize on the vast amount of data that is out there. And that's where AI, machine learning comes into their own. And 3D printing, it feels like it's hand in hand when it comes into spare parts. I think it's, like you said, it's kind of, you got to know your road there. It's mainly at the end of the road, but you got to get all the processes in the beginning.